My name's ChristinaNikolos, and I have a bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering, and also I have a medical degree. The job I'm applying for is Associate Director, Project Physician for Pain for Johnson & Johnson's site in Titusville, New Jersey. The Associate Director, Project Physician, Pain, is a responsible member of a clinical team dedicated to the development and execution of medical strategies and the clinical and operational implementation of a complex compound development program. The Associate Director, Project Physician, provides active medical and scientific contribution to a cross-functional clinical team developing a molecular entity. The Associate Director, Project Physician, provides input to the clinical developmental plan, works on the development of the clinical trial protocol and clinical trial materials, has responsibility for medical monitoring of assigned clinical trials, and takes ownership for the content and clinical study reports and relevant documents for regulatory findings. Team matrix interactions include project planning, project direction, regulatory affairs, data management, medical writing, biostatistics, worldwide medical affairs, clinical pharmacology, clinical operations, health, economics, epidemiology, and other scientific and business-related disciplines. The Associate Director may be asked to contribute to the evaluation of scientific opportunities in the therapeutic area. Being a Drexel student meant that I had the opportunity to have 3 6-month internships at companies that do research in my field. My time at Bryn Mawr Hospital shadowing the neurologist was filled with seeing what everyday life is for a doctor, anywhere from visiting patients to dealing with all the paperwork to dealing with insurance companies and pharmaceutical companies. And I was able to see a wide range of neurological problems. When I was a freshman in college, I worked at the Children's Hospital of Pennsylvania in an immunology lab under Dr. Dimitri Monos. And that was my first exposure to working at a research lab, and he taught me everything from picking up a pipette to reading a graph to doing data analysis, and I also learned how to do PCR there. My first internship at Life Sensors filled with developing a new protocol for ubiquitin purification. At Merck & Company, I assisted at RNA Therapeutics and helped develop another protocol for a multiplexing assay of PCR. And then at my third co-op at the University of Pennsylvania, it's an MD run lab, and it's pulmonology, so we're doing asthma attacks and allergic responses. And with the pulmonologist, I'm also shadowing him at his clinical office. I feel as if I'm best for this job because it links biology with problem-solving skills. My medical degree has given me the biology foundations required, and my engineering degree has also given me the problem-solving strategies. I feel as also this job is for someone that can take on a leadership role and someone that is a great communicator. I feel as if I have both of those qualities because with my communication skills, I am not hesitant to talk to anyone and to solve a problem at hand because I know if we want to fix it, we have to speak together and effectively merge all of our minds and just try to figure out what's going on. I also feel like I can take on a leadership role because I take deadlines very seriously, and I also feel as if I'm pretty approachable and I'm not very intimidating, so people that were to work under me won't feel scared to come up to me and ask for opinion and help and contributions. Even though I do prefer to work individually, I can work with a group, and taking on that leadership role would require to work with a group because you have people under you and you need to be able to not necessarily dictate, but to legislate what everyone's role is and to make sure that everyone is in check, for lack of a better term, and that everyone is working together as a unit and providing what their responsibility is for and making their contributions. I also feel like as if I'm very good at pushing myself to my limits, not too far beyond my limits, but I'm able to push myself so I perform at my fullest potential. And I feel as if I were in a leadership role, I could rub that off to other people in my group. So as a unit, we can produce something that is to the best of our abilities and that we have tried everything and we pushed ourselves. And I feel as if that's a great quality to have in a leader, to always encourage other people to keep working hard and to keep doing what they're doing and to never give up.